Okay, now we just finished with performing simple linear regression. Now let's try performing multiple linear regression. So the difference is that now we have more than one input variable, more than one predictor variable in order to that we can use in order to predict the output or the response variable. And we're testing, or we believe that there's a linear relationship between the predictors and the response variable, and we want to check that with linear regression on the data. And note that we still haven't talked about how to measure the results after we get the equation, like we got in the last video. We don't know how good that equation was, how well it fit the data, and we're going to still postpone that until after we finish this. Okay, so suppose I go back to cars and I choose the fifth variable, the fifth column, the eighth column, the 13th column, and the 18th column. And that what I was choosing was price, miles per gallon highway, horsepower, and passengers. And suppose I want to try and predict price based on these other three variables. So let's see if this works. So I called that DFRM2. So I'm trying it this way, putting that in there. Okay, it doesn't work. Now I understand what's going on. These have to be called, if we're going to do that method, these have to be called Y, U, V, W. Or, I guess we could do this. Maybe this will work. Yeah. Okay. So that's the result here. So what does this mean? It means that we could try to predict price as the intercept 7.3, I'm just approximating, 7.3 minus 0.22 times miles per gallon highway plus this one times this, and then minus this one times this. And that's the equation that we get for predicting price based on these three variables. Now, if we want to know how good it is, again, we'll go to the next video.